Hello everyone, welcome to our video. Let's begin with the book Knowledge World, a course book of general knowledge for class 8 by Serifera Publications. Let's begin with a new chapter today, that is chapter number 52, all about the frozen continent. In this chapter, we will fill in the blanks to complete the statements about Antarctica's unique physical features. So we are going to talk about Antarctica in this chapter. Test your knowledge and see how many answers you can get right. So let's begin with the exercise now. The first one is, rising majestically at 3,794 meters, Mount Erebus is one of the Antarctica's prominent peaks. Then second is, found in West Antarctica, Thwaites Glacier stretches over hundreds of kilometers and is the key contributor to global sea levels. Then third, Mount Erebus is an active volcano in Antarctica known for its occasional eruptions and dramatic lava flow. Next, the coldest and windiest region of Antarctica is the Commonwealth Bay, where gusts can reach over 200 km per hour. Fifth is, the Ross Ice Shelf is a massive floating extension of the continent covering an area of nearly the size of Germany. Then sixth is, Antarctica's longest river, that is known as the Onyx River, flows beneath the ice and it remains mostly frozen throughout the year. Then the seventh one is Don Juan. It is what? It is the name of a lagoon which is one of the most saline water bodies in the world, preventing it from freezing even in the winters. Then the last is, the deepest depression on the continent is known as the Bentley Subglacial Trench Basin, which is lying where? It is lying more than 2,400 meters below the sea level. So here we have done the exercises of this page. So here on the next page we have another question which says that read the statements about Antarctica carefully and decide if each of the statement is true or false. Now exchange your answers with your friend and see that who scores the highest. The first one is, Antarctica follows Greenwich Mean Time of all its research stations. So the answer is false. No. Second is, Antarctica is surrounded by the Arctic Ocean. And the answer is no, it is not surrounded by Arctic Ocean. Then moving on to the third, the McMurdo Dry Valleys in Antarctica are the driest places on the earth. And the answer is yes, true. Then fourth, in the summer months, Antarctica receives more hours of sunlight than the equator. And the answer is yes, true. Fifth, a part of Lake Bonny contains large amount of nitrous oxide and is also called laughing gases. So nitrous oxide is called laughing gas, and is this true that the lake consists of traces of nitrous oxide? And the answer is yes, true. Sixth, some region of Antarctica have most experienced rainfall or snowfall for over 2 million years. And the answer is again true. So with this we have completed the true and false. Let's move on to the C question now. The C question says that read the clues and write the names of the animals, draw a map of Antarctica and include the locations of these animals. Now you can draw the map on your own, but let's write the answers for the clues or for the names of the animals shown in these pictures. So let's begin with the exercise. Beginning with the first question, it says that the tallest penguin species known for the breeding during the harsh Antarctic winters is known as the emperor penguins. Second is, a rare fish with clear blood due to the absence of hemoglobin. So this fish does not have hemoglobin, living in the icy Antarctic waters, is known as the Antarctic ice fish. Third is, the heaviest Antarctic seal capable of weighing up to 4,500 kgs is known as the elephant seal. Elephant seal. Then fourth is the tiny marine creatures that form the primary food source for nearly all Antarctic wildlife, and that is known as the krill. Krill, krill. Last question of this chapter is the only songbird that survives and sings in Antarctica is known as the snow petrel. So these are all the names of the respective animals that are found on the Antarctic region. Thank you everyone for watching the video. Stay tuned till the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.